Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add image to PDF on Mac. Let's get started. First, as usual, drag and drop to open your PDF file on PDFelement, like this. Check my simple file. I want to add an image here. Then I'll go Image, click the Add Image icon in the popping up windows. I'll choose this image to add, fast and smooth. Also, you can click and drag to remove the image to the right place. Click and drag the blue point to zoom in or zoom out, rotate, replace with other image you want, crop the image. More, you can type the fixed width and height for the image, like 600 by 800. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to free Try PDFelement today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for more other useful tutorials. Thanks, and see you next time.